Hello my beautiful babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching today. But in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing another foodie box from Glamlite. Yes, they released another one right after the holiday edition one. So if you're interested in seeing the products that are in here, see me do a little try on with the products, and just give you my thoughts on it and whether it was worth it or not, then keep on watching. So before we get into the box, if you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. I do try to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. So here we go. This is the Chocolate Factory box. This retails for $45, but the retail value is $96. It has a bunch of products that they curate in a box for you, and you get a deal off of it. So let's just jump into this. If you don't know, Glamlite is a indie makeup brand, and I believe it's Latina owned, which is amazing. And all of the makeup is food themed or like novelty packaging. I think they do have like a paint palette and stuff. They just have fun and cute stuff. So if this is your kind of vibe, you'll like it. If you don't like it because it's like too kitty-like, then Glamlite might not be the perfect brand for you. But I'm telling you, the quality is great. If you can get past the packaging and you want some great quality, I think you would really love Glamlite stuff. So the first thing in here, oh, and I forgot to mention, these are also sold individually. So in case you're not interested in everything that's in this box, you can buy a product separately. Some things are out of stock, but I think a lot of it is still available. So I'll let you know what's still available. I'll link it all below, all the items and everything. But here's the first thing. This is the chocolate donut palette. This is so cute. And this goes for $22 by itself. But here is the cute little donut. It's kind of thick packaging. It's a little squishy, but it's cute. I like it. I don't mind. And then this is what it looks like inside. It has a mirror. And then here's the shades. There's 4 mattes in here, 5 shimmers, and then in the center is a highlighter. And it's cute. It's a neutral lover's dream. This is their first time doing something more neutral. Their palettes are usually quite colorful, so all my girls and boys that love neutral makeup, this box would probably be for you, or this palette. It's so pretty, and the formula from Glamlite is stunning. Like, they have a really, really good formula. So let's do some quick swatches here, and then we can get to the next products. We're gonna start here. So we have Sweet Filling. It's like a warm toned brown. Then we have Chocolate Sprinkles, and then we have Chocolicious. Oh, I'm getting hungry over here. All right, so let's start with Sweet Filling. Yes, a nice warm toned brown. Then we've got Chocolate Sprinkles. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at those shimmers. And then we have Chocolicious, which is a nice like mid-toned warmer brown. We've got Boston Cream, which has a like taupey vibe going on. Then we've got Eclair, and then we've got a Double Chocolate, which is like a deeper chocolate shade. So we've got Boston Cream. Yeah, this is on the taupey end. Then we've got Eclair. And then we've got Double Chocolate. It's just like a deeper chocolate shade. So now we have 3 shimmers left. So we've got Sweet Tooth, which is a goldy, like bronzy shade or coppery shade. Then we've got White Chocolate, which looks like a light goldy shade. And then Marble, which is like a chocolatey shimmer. So we've got Sweet Tooth. And then we've got White Chocolate, which is like a light white gold shade. And then we've got Marble, which is like a very cool toned brown shimmer. So let me get closer so you can see the swatches better. Okay, so the next items are lashes in here, which is surprising that I would want this box when I am not a person who really wears lashes. But I've been getting into lashes more lately and like giving them a try. But let me give you the prices of all of this. Let's see. So we've got the chocolate candy bar lashes. This goes for $10. It's still available on their website. We'll see what the style is. This is the style. If you guys can see, very fluttery, fanned out. These look pretty actually. Then we have the chocolate donut lash. This is marble glazed. This is $12 for these. Ooh, okay, these are like super fanned out, super dramatic and fluffy. And then we have the chocolate lash, which goes for $10. Also quite dramatic. So maybe I'm gonna have to give these away and figure out what to do with these lashes. And then we have the S'mores highlighter and contour palette. This goes for $18 and it's also still in stock on their website. And we will see. I'm gonna use these products today, so hopefully this will work for me. Oh, it looks like a little graham cracker. How cute. And then here is what it looks like inside. So this one doesn't have a mirror. Looks like it has 2 highlighters and 1 like bronzy shade in here. I don't know if this is gonna be too dark for me. Ooh, the packaging is like so shiny. But I will give that a try. And then it has like a goldy highlight and a more white iridescent highlighter. So we'll have to try that out, see if it works on the face. So the next product in the box is this lip product right here. This is the Hot Chocolate Lips. And this goes for $12. And here is what the actual lip looks like. It looks like it's a milk chocolatey shade. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this. I love cool tone, like milky chocolate shades. Oh, and it smells like chocolate. All right, so let me swatch it right here. Let me do a swatchy-roo. So I think this is a gloss. I can't see anywhere what it says it is, but it looks like a gloss. And that is the shade. Ooh, it's pretty. It's on the sheer side, but I think I would really like that a lot on the lips. And then the last lip product is the S'mores lip. And this goes for $12. It's also still available. And I think this is maybe a gloss too. I really don't know. So here it is. Oh, okay, yeah, this is probably a gloss. It's like a deeper brown and it looks like there's like little gold shimmers in it. This is pretty. Yes, it has a chocolatey scent to it. Let me swatch it here. Ooh, this is pigmented. A very pigmented gloss. You would probably need to use a lip liner with this, but very pretty. So these are the 2 glosses in the box. So now that I've unboxed everything, let me zoom you guys in so we can create a look. So let's get in this. So I have my eyes primed already with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I'm gonna create a look. I'll probably try to use the bronzer highlighter on the cheeks and pick one of these lip glosses to put on. So I'm going to start off with Sweet Filling. I just love a good warm toned brownie shade. Ooh, that's nice. Nice and pigmented like I expected. So now I'm thinking we're gonna go into Chocolicious and use that into the crease as well. Oh, these are just nice, beautiful, neutral shades. So now I'm thinking we can go into Eclair. We're just gonna keep building. I'm gonna keep using the same brush. Yeah, like the tones just get a little deeper and deeper. Should we do a halo eye? Yeah, I'm thinking let's do a halo eye. Maybe that would be a good thing to do. Do something different. So I'm gonna put a little bit of Eclair in the inner part. So now I'm going to go into Double Chocolate. I'm just gonna keep using the same brush and I'm gonna use that to deepen even more. So I want this to be a really smoky halo eye. So now I'm gonna lay down some glitter primer. I'm gonna do that off camera. I'm just gonna lay it right in the center. We're gonna put shimmer and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I laid down some NYX glitter primer right in the center and I took it up a little bit. So now I'm thinking on the edge, like towards the darker matte, I'm going to take Marble. So I'm gonna work that. I'm gonna use this flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics. This is like part of their Marble collection. And I'm gonna just do that on the edge part. Wow, that is nice. There's like little chunks of like silvery glitter in it. That is pretty. I like that. Like I said, shimmers just, they make me so happy. A nice, beautiful shimmer. So now I'm going to use Boston Cream, that taupey shade, in the center part. Perfect. Perfect. Little brighter shimmer in the center. These shimmers have like these nice little sparkly bits in it that I'm just a fan of. So I'm thinking now I'm going to take a little bit of Chocolate Glaze, the highlighter shade, and dab a little of that on top, on the center part. Wow, yes, that definitely like took it up the notch. So now I'm going to go back in the fluffy brush, and I'm going to go back into Double Chocolate and use that on the edge here. Sure we didn't lose any of the matte. So now I'm going to do the lower lash line. Find a pencil brush. I'm using this pencil brush from Morphe. What is this? E36. So I'm going to start off with Chocolicious. No, yes, I'm going to start off with Chocolicious at the bottom. Just use that on the bottom part. I'm pretty much going to mimic what's on the eyes. So I'm going to start off with some Eclair. Here and here. Even a little bit more. So now I'm going to take Double Chocolate, the deepest shade, and use that on the edge and the inner part. So with the same pencil brush, I did wet it. I'm going to put a little bit of the shimmer down there too. So the marble shade on the edge. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Then I'm going to clean that off a little bit. I'm going to go back into Boston Cream and use that in the center. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Chocolate Glaze, just a little bit on top of that. Then I'm going to go into the fluffy brush that we're using, and I'm going to go into Sweet Fillings and use that to blend out the edge of all of it. So now I'm going to go in with White Chocolate, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to take that pencil brush, and we'll see how that looks. That looks pretty. Nice little white goldy shade. Right there in the inner corner. That is pretty. Alrighty, I think this looks so pretty. It's such a neutral glam look. So I'm going to do my liner, mascara, something in the waterline off camera, and then I will be right back so we can use the rest of the products. Alright, the eyes are complete and I'm living my best life right now. So what I did off camera, I should have done it on camera with you. I took a little bit of Chocolate Glaze and did like a brow bone highlight, which I don't do very often. And I added a little bit of this into the inner corner to make it a little brighter. And then I did a little wing with the Laura Geller, what is this called? Line and Define, a dual dimension eyeliner. And then in the waterline, I used this ColourPop gel liner in the shade Honeydew, just a cream eyeliner. Just thought it would open up the eyes and brighten it up a little bit. So now let's do something on the face. I don't have any bronzer and I'm needing some. So hopefully this would not look too terrible on my cheeks. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics brush. We'll see. I just realized this palette smells very chocolatey. So I'm gonna dust them off and go in light with a light hand. Oh, that's not bad. So the bronzer is looking pretty good here. Let's do some over here. Oh, okay. It's not bad. The only thing is when brands bring out face palettes, I feel like they should bring out different variations to work for different skin tones, because this is a little dark for me, I feel, and a little bit more warmer than I'm used to going. But like if you were really fair, I feel like the shade would be way too dark for you. And I don't know if this would work if you had a very deep skin tone. So, okay, so I'm gonna take this little small brush and use it for my nose. Hopefully that doesn't look crazy. See, add a little bit of warmth to the nose area. Okay, this is working. This is definitely working for me. Put some here, and then I'm gonna run some down here a little bit. Overall, I think it's nice. I think it actually works for me. But now let's do something with these. I don't know if I can use both. You know what? I just realized I never swatched this palette for you guys. So let me swatch it really quick for you guys now. So here's the two highlighters in here. Like, that's way too dark for me. And then this is the contour, like, bronzer shade. I'm sorry, I totally forgot to swatch those out for you in the beginning. All right, we'll see. I'm gonna mix both of the highlighters and try to create my own highlighter, because I feel like this is a little light. I feel like that's a little dark. I feel like I need something in between. Wow, that's bright. That is bright. Okay, that works. It's actually working for me on my skin. But they're just stark different shades. Like, one's for a deeper skin tone, one's for like fair skin. So, I don't know. I like it though. It's actually working for me. So now let's do the lip. So I think I want to go into the deeper one. I'm going to find a lip liner really quick so I can line my lips. So I'm going to use this lip liner I just got from Nabla, the Close Up Lip Shaper, in nude number 5. So it's the more chocolatey, deeper shade. And we'll use that to line the lips. I've never used this before, so we shall see how it goes. Ooh, that's really creamy. Yeah, that's gonna work perfect with this gloss. All right, so now let's go into the S'mores lip gloss and put that over. And let's see. Wow, that is so pigmented. All right, that's the lips. Ooh, chocolatey vibes over here. This lip gloss is so pigmented, so I highly recommend you use a lip liner when you go in with this product if you end up picking it up or already have it. But I am liking this, so I'm going to zoom you guys out so I can give you guys my final thoughts on everything. All right, guys, this is my look. I am filling these products. I love how this came out, like this kind of smoky, chocolatey look. I love the lips. This gloss is not sticky at all, and the pigmentation is a bomb on this. So would I say that this is worth it? Hell yeah, I really like this, and it's worth it for me. And there's 3 lashes that I'm probably not going to use in the box, but everything else I think is nice. I think the lip products are nice. These are the kind of shades that I like to wear, these kind of nudie glosses and chocolatey glosses. The palette here, the face palette, is nice. I like the highlighters. I definitely like them better mixed together. And the bronzer shade, I don't know if it's the perfect tone or perfect shade for me. This would probably be better for me, I feel like, when I have more of a tan. But it blended out really well and it was easy to work with. The palette, stunning, amazing. Shimmers are amazing, mattes are amazing. It's the usual Glamlite formula, and they did such a good job with this neutral palette. I do like the shade options, the tones, the shimmers, they're gorgeous. And this highlighter in the middle is really pretty as well. But that was everything, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and enjoyed this video, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And please leave a comment. Let me know if you ended up picking up this box or what you've been loving on, how your holidays are going. I love hearing from all of y'all. And don't forget to check out the description. Everything will be linked below, as well as my contact information. I'm on Instagram as well as Breezy Lifestyle if you want to check me out there as well. But that was everything, guys. I hope everyone is doing well wherever you are in the world, and just sending you love and light. But until next time, bye guys.